These are the moments in time that we've been waiting our whole life to find, that we've been searching for all through the night. Just tell me that we'll be alright.
This tea is so freaking hot. I don't even know how to hold it right now, but I just went into a little bakery and got me and my mom some breakfast. I just got her some croissants and she wanted orange juice, so I got her some orange juice and I got me some tea. I literally had to put my glove on because I know it was going to be hot, but since my fingers are sticking out, it's still like way too hot. So yeah, I'll be back once I get to the room. But it's such a beautiful day out here. I was scared I was going to be a little bit cold without, you know, my scarf and a heavier jacket, but it feels so good. We're back in the metro. Not really sure what to do para agentes de transporte dirigir a las máquinas automáticas. Oh, so we buy them over here. Trying to figure this out. Never been on a metro before. How about you?
Actually, yes, we were in Atlanta for the boule.
Oh.
We did that a lot.
Was it like this?
But we had to drive because, you know, Atlanta is way bigger. Plus we're downtown. We had to drive.
Yeah, this actually reminds me of like when you're at the airport and you have to get on those things. It's basically the same thing. Yeah, we're on our way to cooking class.
Yeah.
Lips right.
Learn how to cook some Spanish cuisine. I don't know how good we'll be at it. It was like a long shot. Yeah, but we'll learn a few things. Or at least I will. I can take back home because, you know, this one right here doesn't cook for real.
Ready to go, yeah. Go, yeah. Now, where do we have to go? General Diaz Moria. Oh, can you hold this? This is saying it's a 40-minute walk.
What? Well, do we want to go back down there and see if we can get closer? I mean, because there was somebody in the thing, you could ask them. If not, we're going to be running.
Oh, hola. Necesitamos llegar al mercado de Torrijos.
¿Qué parada de metro es?
No sé, nos dijeron Goya, pero dice que es tenemos que andar 40 minutos para llegar ahí. We're at the wrong place. We went in the wrong direction, I think. Alright, y'all, we made it up the metro alive. Now we're trying to find the building.
Yeah, we took the wrong side of the subway, so where we got off was not the correct spot, but we figured it out. Thanks to the assistant of somebody that works here.
Walk this way. We have made it to our destination. This is where we're going to be cooking, I assume.
normal, Spanish ham.
reaction and watch people watching, but
This lighting though.
yeah, it's very fun watching reactions and the way people observe. It's fun.
Well,
But like I said, I'm not a gambler, so
can we have pizza for dinner?
you said Campbell.
Yeah.
I guess since we had some great authentic Spanish food that we made today ourselves,
We did good too.
we did. We can have some pizza.
Yay!
Yeah. Well, I wonder what a good pizza place is here.
I know. I don't know. I see
saw
that pop pizza.
And that Vips looked like they had one, and there was a Geno's. But I don't know.
Maybe we should Yelp. Do you still have Yelp on your phone?
I don't know I ever had it.
You did. I'm pretty sure you did because you would Yelp stuff in Alabama.
I didn't have it on my phone.
Oh.
It was like on the internet or something.
Hey, focus.
I never had it.
Dude, there's a lot of people. Well, it's always a lot of people out here. But yeah, we're about to look around at some shops. I mainly want to go to Lush and the Body Shop. Lush is the
I like that
the handmade cosmetics that you were talking about.
Oh.
That's Lush.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I need to get me some handmade mascara so my eyelashes will be longer.
What? If you're gonna cut all your hair off, since when are you cutting all your hair off?
Eyebrows
Okay.
made in.
She's definitely not cutting all of her hair off. I don't know why she even said that.
Because I told you I was going to.
No, you said you were going to Stephanie to get started with your twists.
Oh yeah.
You can't cut your hair off.
I know,
if you
but
want
now I'm just
twists.
thinking I want to cut it off.
No. Do y'all hear this foolery? She just cut all her hair off. And it's growing back. You know, I really don't even know how long it is, but I know it's pretty long. And now she's trying to cut it off all over
It's
again.
so much work.
And we just had a conversation about her cutting off her hair. And we decided, yes, collectively, that she was gonna, you know, do the whole natural hair thing for a while. And if that didn't work out, then she would cut it off.
My pants.
Yeah, we're about to go into Primark. Don't know what we're about to get ourselves into. It's 5 stories. I think, yep. Oh, this tells you. This tells you. Where to go.
And the escalators are opposite, like the up is on the left side. Opposite of how it is in the States.
So, mujer y hombre. But yeah, that is weird. We can go right here on floor 0. I like how their floors here start with 0 instead of 1. You know?
And they have -1.
Oh, they have all the sizes. UK, European, and USA. I don't know. What is IT? Italy? No sé. I like this. This is just a nice, cute, simple blue top. Yo, I like this too. I have something like this at home though. Ooh. This is cute. Ooh. This? I really have been looking for a cute fanny pack.
like
And
this
this is so cute. Why? You think it'll mess up easy?
I don't know. I just don't like that. Can you tell if people look right? I put them more straight and I'm tired of trying sunglasses. Can you imagine what these look like?
I can't deal. Y'all, she's silly. We're trying on sunglasses right now. I really want. Let's see if I can put this in here. Let's see if
You don't know why it's kind of these. We're still trying on the two. Keep it too small. Look at the too big.
I don't know. Now that I see them in the camera, I don't know if I like.
So the ones you just said that you like that'll cook. Like that. Because they are almost the same.
Are nice. It's definitely giving me. I like the ones that are big. Better. Yes. And yeah. These are nice too. Yeah, I'm gonna go with these two. Big snake, small ones, What about you? Which ones are you gonna get?
I'm getting 3 pair. Ooh. I'm gonna get. I need to try them on?
Yes. Show us.
Okay.
Which ones you decided to go with.
2 of them are the same style, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, here we go again. This is too much.
The struggle.
Waiting on me to. It's not behind my ears, I don't care. I'm gonna get these.
Okay.
And I'm going to get these. I think the ones with the thinner arms. These. And then I'm going to
She copied me on this style, y'all. JK, we both saw it. So the last 2 are the same,
I know,
but different colors.
Find another black pair.
They're cute.
They are cute.
We're in Zara now. This Zara is so fancy. I'm gonna show y'all when we go back down the stairs. I really like this dress right here. It's just, oops, I'm over here zooming and stuff. It's really cute. I feel like it doesn't look as cute on camera, but I promise y'all it's cute. But I'm hungry, so I'm not gonna be looking no more. I know a lot of people do wear those, what, platforms?
What they call?
Platform shoes.
Oh,
Yeah. So yeah, we're just looking around in Zara. Oh, y'all got me a fanny pack today. I'm so excited. I'll show you later. Phone's ringing. Oh, wow. Hello. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, wait, y'all, just look at these stairs. Huh? Oh, you think you want to get it now? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Check out this raincoat mommy's about to try on. Are you ready? We finally found a pizza place, and it's so cute and colorful in here.
not too sick to take a picture.
Huh? Good. Is it good? Is it better than Papa Rocco's?
No.
It's the next morning. Forgot to end the vlog yesterday. So I'm going to end it now and say thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next one, which is going to look something a lot like this.
Hey everyone, we're in the cab. We got off the train from leaving San Sebastian and we're in Madrid and we're on our way to the hotel.
Are you excited?
Very excited. It's a pretty day outside. Sun is shining.
As opposed to